touched down in London. I've got my Oyster card. I'm at the Underground. Fingers crossed I get to my accommodation. Okay, so I met up with my friend Courtney. Here we are, and we're going out for dinner. I'm not really sure where it is, Brixton, and now we've just come out to a pub to get a drink before we call it a night. Good morning from cold, rainy London. Yesterday was really nice weather, but we've woken up to overcast, but I'm also kind of happy because I feel like if it was sunny weather, you can't really get the true, authentic London tourist stop. So I'm just about to leave. I'm going to try and get some breakfast this morning, and then I'm going to also try and get on a walking tour. It's raining. I love the big red buses everywhere. Like, it's so cool. Like, that's their local bus. I've got myself into town and it's really cold. You're so pretty. The thing I love about London, it's so green. The thing I hate about London, the rain which makes it green. So I just come to this cafe and it is crazy busy. Walking around after my breakfast. Next minute I'm bumping into the Westminster Abbey, and then there's like all these churches, and I'm like, I don't even know what churches they are, but they're nice. It's kind of weird. Traveling Europe likes because like every good monument is under construction. That would be the big thing. Decided to do my own walking tour today, but have a look at this. This is a pub on the river, and look at the view. So they all sit up here. That's so cool. On my bikini, let the beat rock me so hey, whoa. 'Cause shit always happens, just the world I live in. Ain't no gonna stress about ya, ain't no gonna stress no more, 'cause it's all just blah blah. Literally just hopelessly wandering around this city and just bumping into things. Good times, keep it rolling. walking through St James's Park before I head to Buckingham Palace.
These bitches I was wrong off, and it's all just blah blah. I don't worry about a thing. Ain't no gon' stress about you. Ain't no gon' stress no more. 'Cause it's all just blah blah. I don't worry about a thing. Ain't no gon' stress about you. These bitches I was wrong off, and it's all just blah blah. I don't worry about a thing. I don't worry about a thing. 'Cause time always go away.
I've made it to the Buckingham Palace. Did you know that Queen Victoria, should know this is my own name, was the first English royal to live in the Buckingham Palace? There are over 700 rooms in this one building. The Buckingham Palace went way over budget. Way over budget. Real tourist problem I'm having. My phone is always going flat because I just take so many videos and so many videos and so many videos, and then my phone is always flat. I've made it to Hyde Park. The thing I really love about like riding around, like it's so quick for one, but it's like so relaxing, so nice. So all the major cities these days have the bike highs where you just pick up the bike and drop it off, and it's so good, like it's so easy. It was £2 for 24 hours of riding, so I'm gonna be doing a lot on a bike today.
I've been swimming in a fishbowl, pizza boxes by the back door, your clothes scattered over my floor. We both know that I can't cope, laying in the empty bed where we used to call your parents when we couldn't pay the rent, trying to get you out my head, but we both know that I can't cope. Put yourself back together, 'cause it can't hurt forever. I'm living in the upside down, I'm living in the upside down.
So I just went down Piccadilly Circus. I'm starting to feel really tired and jet lagged. I only got like 5-6 hours sleep last night, so I'm gonna almost call it a day.
So tired of the real world now, 'cause without you my feet can't find the ground. My feet can't find the ground. I'm living in the upside down, 'cause without you my feet can't find the ground. Sleep late to keep myself from thinking, medicate to stop my head from ringing.
I love England. Just played 2 games netball and then drunk 2 drinks, and now I'm really buzzed because I played 2 games of netball. It's fabulous. English people know how to exercise, right?
Drinking 'cause we both know that I can't cope. Always waking up on your side, middle of the night. I'm dreaming about the last time, trying to get you off of my mind. We both know that I can't cope. Put yourself back together, 'cause it can't hurt forever.
Good morning, good morning, good morning from London. It's a bit of a late start today, to be honest. I'm actually go on a Kentucky tour tomorrow, so I'm just trying to get organised and do like last couple of things I need to get done. I did heaps of sightseeing yesterday, so I only have a couple more things I want to do. So I'm gonna get headed. I'm gonna grab a bike and ride around again today. And yeah, it should be a good day.
I'm living in the upside down. I'm living in the upside down. So tired of the real.
Just cycling along the Thames and I'm back at Parliament House again.
The world now, 'cause without you my feet can't find the ground. 'Cause without you my feet can't find the ground.
So, made it to London Eye. I won't be riding it today or this trip for that matter because I've actually already done it a few years ago. But you can see it's got such a beautiful lookout all along the river because it's Parliament House and the Golden Jubilee. Oh, let me fix that. Golden Jubilee walking bridge there. It's right on the river. It's very beautiful. Next up, also the other thing I noticed, London's a great walkable city, and they have like all these like really great walking paths along the river. You can just pretty much follow whatever road you want, and you're gonna get somewhere, and you're gonna bump into like an attraction. It's really great. It makes it so easy to travel. Like you don't need those hop on hop buses to just walk or ride. In my case. So I've just come to Convent Garden and found the Jubilee Markets. This is what I mean. You go one some place and you end up bumping into it somewhere else.
Can't find the ground. I'm living in the upside down. I'm living in the upside down. So tired of the real world now. So tired of the real world now. 'Cause without you I can't sleep, and without you I'm empty. I'm living in the upside down. 'Cause without you my feet can't find the ground.
So I just finished having lunch at a really nice English pub, and now I'm going to London Bridge and Tower Bridge.
I'm living in the upside down. 'Cause without you my feet can't find the ground. Without you my feet can't find the ground.
So I've made it to Tower Bridge, and I also noticed near Tower Bridge is the Shard as well. But there's a really cool like free museum thing you can do in the Tower Bridge. I actually did it 7 years ago, so I'm not also going to do that today either because I've got to run. But it's so beautiful. I just love this bridge, the color, everything. It's awesome.
We'll take a leap with the night. Would you ever change your frequency? Would you ever? Would you ever? Would you ever? Would you ever?
Alright, that is a wrap on my 2 days in London. It's been great, it's been quick, maybe a bit too quick. I've absolutely loved it. It's going to be exciting to go to the next destination. I'm in London. Please subscribe to Finding Tori to see where you can find me next.